I'd like to thank PC Pit Stop for this opportunity to share my very positive experience with their product, PC Matic with Super Shield. Because of PC Matic, my laptop is literally better than new and now has a second lease on life. My laptop is my only computer and it gets used every day. A lot. I travel for a living and the laptop serves double duty as both my work computer and my leisure computer. I've had several laptops before my current one, and just like those, this one has gone through the same predictable performance decline. Even when the computer was fairly new, when it had only been out of the box a month or two, I started noticing performance slowdowns. Subtle things, like the computer taking longer to turn on and basic applications taking longer to open. These declines in performance were indications that my computer software was becoming bogged down and less efficient. Over the years, I have purchased 4 different registry boosting and PC optimizing programs in an attempt to clean up and restore my computer's performance. All of these purchases turned out to be a waste of money. Not one time out of the 4 was I able to tell the difference in the performance of my computer after running the optimizing software. Since I had paid for all these programs, I continued to run them regularly, but they were unable to stop the continued performance decline. Well, by the time this computer had reached 4 years old, the slowness had finally morphed into instability. Applications were now clunky, halting, and jerky. Without warning, they would simply freeze, then shut down. And worst of all, every now and then, I would get a blue screen of death that would interrupt the spool-up process and prevent my laptop from turning on. I lived in fear for my data. I never knew if the next crash would be the last, resulting in the loss of all the work and personal information stored on my computer. As I was contemplating dropping the big bucks to purchase a new one, I happened to catch a PC Matic commercial on TV. Yes, I had been down the PC optimization road before, but there was something different about PC Matic that just seemed to offer hope. For the small annual subscription it was going to cost, it just seemed it was worth the gamble taking one last shot at fixing my computer before spending all the money and time needed to buy and set up a new one. Well, the gamble absolutely and immediately paid off. Unlike all the other programs I'd purchased, the impact on my laptop's performance was not only noticeable, it was jaw-dropping. I wish I had a way to compare the performance of my computer when it was brand new to how it performed now after being optimized with PC Matic, because I am certain it is faster now. My laptop turns on and spools up faster than it ever has. All my applications open faster and run faster. Even the internet pages and emails seem to load and open faster. Most importantly, my computer is stable once again. Since the first time I ran PC Matic and made PC Matic Super Shield my spyware protection program, I have not had one event of the computer freezing, an application closing, or the computer crashing to the blue screen. Thanks to the 1-2 punch of PC Matic and PC Matic Super Shield, I have saved several $100s because my current laptop has a new lease on life and will get the job done for many years to come. Thank you, PC Matic and PC Matic Super Shield.